Hi, I'm Ahmed and I'm an interior design junior here at VCU. I chose interior design. At first, I was more passionate about expressive artwork, but then I've discovered that in interior design you could create an entire immersive environment. So it's not just like a painting or a singular object, it's the entire space, and that inspired me. I want to create a greater impact, that's why. The program pretty much satisfies what I'm looking for. It even goes beyond that, because we got to learn about some civic engineering, we got to know about some building systems, and all these stuff that go beyond just some decoration and aesthetics. So I'm pretty satisfied that by the time I graduate, I'm even more capable than just decorating, you know? Honestly, yeah, there's a common misconception that interior designers only decorate. So after they design an entire home with all the electricity sockets and everything, this is when they bring an interior designer to make some sense out of it. But after I've entered interior design, I learned that we have to be with the engineers since day one. So it's not since day one, but our role and our voice matters a lot in shaping how the building is gonna look like. And it's not just a singular room, you know? So yeah, that's just one thing I've learned. But the most challenging thing was the technical stuff for me, because I'm so driven by creativity and I just wanna speculate and create the designs I wanna have without any limitations. But sometimes there are some logical constraints, for example columns or whatever it is. So interior design just allows you to think creatively within not within a border, but as in respect the existing design problems. So yeah, I still struggle with that, but that's just a skill you have to refine with time.